In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Canva link. Whether you need a simple preview, feedback on a draft, or full collaboration, the process is quick and consistent. We'll open your design, pick the right access, choose the permission level, and copy the link so you can paste it into email, chat, or a project board. First, open your Canva design. From your Canva homepage, go to the project you want to share. You can find it under Recent Designs inside a specific folder, or by typing the project name into the search bar. Click the design to open it in the editor. Give it a quick look to make sure it's the correct version before you send it out. This avoids confusion later. Next, click Share. You'll find the Share button in the top right corner of the Canva editor. It typically stands out, and opening it reveals all your link sharing options. This is where you decide who can open the link and what they can do once they're in. Now set the link access. Under link sharing or collaboration link, choose anyone with the link if you want people outside your team to open it without being added. This is essential when you're sending the link to clients, classmates, or anyone not already on your Canva team. Then select the permission that matches your goal. Can View gives a clean, read-only preview. Can Comment lets viewers leave feedback directly on the design. Can Edit grants full editing access. Recipients can move elements, change text, and update images. Use Edit only when you truly want collaborators to make changes and share it with people you trust. If someone needs to comment or edit, they may be prompted to sign into Canva, which is normal. Finally, copy the link. Click Copy Link and you'll see a confirmation that the URL is ready. Paste it into your message and you're done. Quick tip. If someone can't open the link, double-check that access is set to anyone with the link, not restricted to your team. You can return to share anytime to change permissions. The link usually stays the same, so you don't need to resend it. That's it. Open your design, click Share, set access and permission, then copy the link. With the right settings, you'll share confidently every time.